Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this amazing WordPress church website over here. So I'm going to introduce this church website to you and then we'll go ahead to create it together. So this is a a church website called the Grace Rich Church. Now this is how it looks like, and everything over here was created using WordPress Elementor and some few other plugins to make this website come to life. So I'm going to take you through how the website looks like, and if you are interested, go ahead to follow this tutorial and then we'll be able to create it together. Now this is how the website looks like. This is the home page. As you can see over here, we have the header over here, and then as you scroll, there's a sticky header which changes color also over here. Now we have the the menus also on top over here. We have the header menu over here, the logo right in the middle over here, and then we also have a button also over here. Now when you come to the next stage, we have what we call the hero section over here. So as you can see, I'll show you how you can be able to create this beautiful hero section over here. And when you come over here, you also have the about us section also over here, which display a little bit of the church that we are going to create their website for. And then when you come here, we have the service times section also over here. It talks about some of the the times that we worship in this particular church over here. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this nicely for your website. Then this slider over here is also the sermon section. Okay, so as you can see, we have a carousel over here which displays some of the recent sermons done by the church. And then when you scroll down, we have what we call the ministry section also over here. So I'll show you how you can be able to display some of your ministries. We have the children's ministry, the fellowship, youth fellowship, women's ministry, which is the women of faith, and then we also have the worship ministry, and then the men's ministry, which we did not showcase over here. So I'll show you how you can be able to showcase some of your ministries on the home page also over here. Now the next one is event. Okay, so every church organizes events and other stuff. I'll show you how you can be able to create nice event pages, have some loop grades and other stuff to show your events also on the website. So this is how it looks like. And then when you come down, we have this last section over here, which is a call to action, calling all sort of people to come and worship with Grace Rich. And then we also have the last part of it, which is the footer, which runs through all the parts of the website. So as you can see, the header and the footer runs through all parts of the website. Now on the footer, we have the about, we have sermons, we have ministries, we have events, and then we have contact. And then also we have our ministries over here, which lists all the single ministry pages also over here, and then some quick links also over here. Now one thing about this website is most of the things are created using Elementor Pro. Okay, because we're going to use ACF, and then also we will use Elementor Pro, and then we're going to use dynamic tags to be able to make this website a custom website. It's not your regular theme that you're going to just import and then do all those kind of things. No, but it's a church website that most of the things are custom made. Okay, so especially the sermons pages and sermon archive page, which we made it ourselves, displaying all the sermons that we have over here. And then the sermon grade itself. Okay, as you can see over here, this is kind of like a loop grade. Okay, this is a loop item that we created it ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to create your own loop item over here for the sermon. And then when you click on watch or listen to some of the sermons over here, you're going to see that we have a special custom made sermon page. Okay, single sermon page over here. Now this one displays the title of the sermon, and then also at the background you can see the featured image of that particular sermon. And then over here you're going to see the preacher, the minutes, of the sermon, and then also the category of that particular sermon. And then you have some sermon outline or quick details about the sermon, and then you can have a video over here which you can be able to display if it is a video sermon. And then there is a share buttons over here. You can share the sermon, and then if you want to watch more sermons, you can have a lot of different sermons also over here to be able to watch. Okay, so basically this is how the single sermon page looks like. Now we also have the same idea for the events. Okay, single events also pages. Okay, so if you go to the event pages over here, this is how the event archive page looks like. Okay, now if you click on one event over here, you're gonna see that there is a single event page specially designed to showcase all events, the single event. Okay, so you're gonna see that we have this featured image over here. We have the event title over here, a little bit of the event description over here, and then also share event also over here. And then we have the event details, which will talk about the date, the time, and then the location. And then if there is a register over here, you're going to see that you can be able to click to register now over here. And then we also have the main description of the event, the event speakers. You're going to see them also over here, and then you can click over here to register as well. And then we also have this particular one, which is a map leading you to the place of the event. And then we have related events also over here. Okay, so basically this is the single event page also over here. So this one is used to showcase all single events for all the events that you create over here. Now these are all these are all created using Elementor theme builder. Okay, so sorry, that is why we need the Elementor Pro to be able to create this one. But I'll show you how you can be able to get Elementor Pro if you are using it just specifically for training and other stuff. Okay, so you comment below if you want Elementor Pro. I'll give you where you can be able to get Elementor Pro that you can be able to use to learn, and then when you're ready, you go ahead to purchase Elementor Pro. Now if you come over here we also have the contact also over here, and then the ministries. Let's look at the single ministries also page. Okay, so these are all the ministries that we have. Okay, so if I want to go to maybe children's ministry, if I click on it, I'm going to see all the ministries, every detail about the children's ministries, also children ministry also over here. Okay, now one thing about this particular website is it's have over 15 pages. Okay, so over 15 pages that we created everything from scratch. Okay, so it's going to be a very long tutorial, but I trust you follow along as as simple, and then we can be able to build this website together. Now aside the ministries, the single ministries, we also have plan a visit page. Okay, so you can plan a visit to to the church. Here it gives you the details about the church activities and what they are doing and all those kind of stuff. You can be able to plan your visit and then go ahead and then visit the church. And then we also have give. So if you want to integrate giving or donation into your website, now we have done it over here. As you can see, you can be able to go ahead to donate, okay, to help a cause that the church is running. It could be maybe just donating or giving to support the church or anything, and that is basically about what they're giving. And then we have prayer request page also for people to also request prayers, so you can be able to request a prayer also over here. And then also there is join us, which is basically the contact us page. Okay, so over here you're gonna see the contact page. You see the church details and other stuff also over here. So this is a very big church website, and it can be used for any church. Okay, any church that you are planning to create a website for. Okay, now this particular whole website has been bundled in a template, and if you can't follow the tutorial and you cannot be able to just follow along, and you want just the template to modify it, or just change some few words over here to make it your own church, you can go ahead and go to the link I will provide in the description. Go to just templateseller.com, go over there, and then you can be able to get the template from that particular place. Okay, so if you go over here to templateseller.com, scroll down, and you're going to see the church website template. Now we have other church website template over here, but just look for the Grace Rich. Okay, Grace Rich Church, and then you can be able to go ahead and then see the details of that particular church. See the details over here, and as you can see, all the details and other stuff. You see the tech stack, how built for easy customization, dynamic content with ACF, and a whole lot of things over here. So you just go ahead and then click on add to cart to just get this particular theme and then use it for your website. Okay, so that is with this one. Now in the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can be able to import this particular template and then on a brand new website, and then you can be able to have a completely new website for yourself.